Flood disrupts Lanka Haflong and Lanka Umrangsu Road. Floods disrupted both Lanka Haflong and Lanka Umrangsu Road as vast areas were inundated by the floods. Hundreds of vehicles stranded near Haflong Tinali on Lanka Umrangsu Road. Disruption of road communication has cut off from Umrangsu, the only industrial township of Dimahasau, from rest of the country. Since the mobile network is poor, proper information of damages could not be ascertained.
Tiles and Sanitary Mart Haflong has brought to you a quality product of tiles and sanitary items. Products of branded companies at reasonable prices will be available here. You are cordially requested to step in for your complete bathroom and home solution.